So I do think that, as your vet said, it's likely either going to be a primary neurologic issue, meaning a problem in the brain,
Okay.
or related to an underlying liver issue.
Okay.
The way that a liver problem can cause neurologic symptoms is, the one of the main roles of the liver is to remove toxins in our body.
Okay.
And most of those toxins come from the food that we eat. So when you eat food,
Really?
yeah, well, when you eat food and it gets absorbed in your GI tract and then it goes into your bloodstream, the first place that goes is to the liver.
Okay.
And the liver removes all of the toxins that are associated with that.
Okay.
And then it filters it, and then the rest of the nutrients kind of spread throughout the body. But in some cases, you have what's called a liver shunt, which is a blood vessel that is near the GI tract, but it bypasses the liver.
Okay.
And so when those nutrients get absorbed through the GI, they never go to the liver to get detoxified. So they just get spread throughout the entire body.
So humans have that too? Liver shunts?
As far as I know, yeah.
Interesting.
I don't know how common it is, but
Oh, the shunt is a thing.
the shunt is the problem. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Got you.
Yeah. So it's a congenital defect. Like you're not supposed to have that blood vessel that's there.
Okay. Gotcha.
And then so symptoms you would see if a dog did have that are usually neurologic. They all are often kind of shorter and smaller in stature, kind of poor doers, not as vibrant as the litter mates.
Right.
So there certainly are a lot of reasons to have red flags that could be the case. And in a very textbook scenario, they will have sort of this classic blood work pattern that we expect to see, and that's where his is different. So he does not have the classic blood work of a dog that has a liver shunt.
Got it.
And that's what kind of gives me some pause, that that's what we're dealing with. And also, parts of his exam a little bit are he's showing different neurologic problems than what we would expect from a liver shunt.
Okay.
But admittingly, there is a lot of variation in that, so it's still there as a possibility. But I'm a little bit more suspicious that his problem might actually be more of a primary neurologic issue.
Okay.
So if that's the case, if we think that the liver is fine and this is more of a brain problem, then the two big categories of things that we would worry about would be a malformation. So there's a lot of malformations that can occur in the brain, where you can have like a cyst in the brain, or you can have a condition called hydrocephalus, and those are all just where parts of the brain didn't grow or form appropriately, and that can lead to neurologic signs.
Okay.
And those are congenital issues. So yeah, they're usually young dogs,